Hello there, this is Sabir from WpMania, and here we will show you how to import demo content on your website with just few mouse clicks to make your website just like the demo. It is really helpful as all you need to replace the demo content by your own to make your website up and running within minimum possible time. So let's get started. We assume that you already installed the theme and plugins, so your WordPress admin panel looks like this and your website looks like this. From your dashboard, just click on Take Me to Importer page. Optionally, you can visit here from Appearance, then Sample Data. Then on this page, click on Import Sample Data. Click on it and just sit tight. You see, it takes only 2 mouse clicks to import the demo content for your site. Now it is done. Let's check the site. Yup, it looks amazing and we are done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel as we will add videos that will help you to boost your site speed, security, and make more sales from your website. See you in the next video.